Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a super exciting video. We are making kombucha. This is my first time ever making it, and you probably saw a little while back that I posted an unboxing video that shows what kit I'm using and all that. So if you didn't see that, I will link it down below. Be sure to watch that. It's the Northern Brewer kit, and we're going to be making 1 gallon. So are you guys ready for this? I'm ready. Let's do it. Alright, so the first step here is to take 2 tablespoons of tea, and we're going to be putting it into our tea ball. Some black tea. Alright, now we're going to get a quart of water. And the directions suggest to use purified water or bottled water of some kind, so that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna add our water to the pot. And once we've got it to a boil, we're going to add our tea. Alright, now it's boiling. We're gonna turn off the burner and add the tea ball. We're gonna let it steep for 6 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer. Alright, it's been 6 minutes, so we're going to take this tea ball out of here. We're going to add our cup of sugar. Mix that in really good. Once that is dissolved, we're going to cover it for 10 minutes. Alright, so while that is dissolving, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our water to the fermenter. And we're also going to get our butter muslin cloth ready. Alright, so we want it doubled, and we want it to cover the whole lid. Just going to fold it in half. Gonna trim that right up. Alright, so we got a nice piece of muslin. Make sure it fits. Alright, looks perfect. So now we have that ready. We're just waiting for that sugar and tea to cool down a little bit. Alright, so now that our tea mixture has cooled a bit, we're going to add it to the fermenter. And now we're going to add the SCOBY. Alright, so everything is in here now. We just have to test the pH. So I'm going to take my pipette. And a testing strip. Alright, so you guys can see the pH right here. It's well below 4.5, so we're good to go. We can just cover it right up. Alright, so we're going to take that muslin cloth, and it's doubled. You want to make sure it's doubled over. We're just going to place it on top, and then we're going to take this rubber band. And watch me snap myself. There we go. Alright, you guys, there's the kombucha. That was so easy. It was pretty much just making sweet tea and then adding the SCOBY to it. It was so easy, and my kids stayed asleep the entire time. Like, it was pretty fast. So now we have to put it in probably the closet, a dark place, out of direct sunlight, for 7 days, and it needs to stay between 72 to 80 degrees. So I will check back with you in about 7 days.